I've had maybe 3 glasses of red wine. I've had a glass of prosecco and I've had limoncello. So I'm feeling a little bit of tipsy. So I'm in bed, but I don't like sleeping during the day. But it's a bit cold, so I'm just chilling here because in the room it's warm, and like I mean being in the house is like warm and nice. And also I am trying to edit a video, so this is what I'm going to be doing for this afternoon. It's currently at 2:34, and just later in the evening we will go for our weekly shopping. We don't need much. I will try, I mean I will also vlog about that. We don't need much, but we have to do it because tomorrow is Monday and people go back to work, so we need to be prepared for the new week coming. Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. If it's your first time seeing me, my name is Yula. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my weekly shopping, but this was more of not weekly because we got some things in bulk. So enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe. Starting off, we got 4 pack of milk. This is the long life milk, so it's going to stay a little bit while in the house. And also we got bread. The next thing that we got was this 2 liters of dish soap, so we are going to use that for the next maybe 1 month or so. And we got sugar. We also got the beer, which is 00 alcoholic. We got this one type of pasta, which is penne, because we have other types of pasta in the house, which will last us the whole month. Also we got salt. We also got a lot of the canned tomatoes because we use the canned tomatoes more than the fresh. The fresh tomatoes, we use them only for like salad, but not for cooking because they are a bit hard for me unless we blend them. And even when we blend, I just don't like them. Then we got the 6 pack of tuna. We use the tuna for making pasta with tomato. Also we got this rice disc. I really like them. They're from rice and maize. They're really good substitute for starch, but we eat them maybe like snacks whenever you're hungry. We got this big cheese, the Parmigiano Reggiano. It was really in a very good discount. But yeah, it's still expensive compared, but then it's something that we cannot do without. We also got this acetone because we use acetone either for cleaning or even for washing vegetables. That is oil, which we use the arachide, which is what do you call it, peanut oil. Then we got beans because I really like the this kind of beans. I boil them in the house, and that is a liquor that you use for baking. It's called Strega. And then we got these 2 packs of farina of flour for making chapati. So this is the best one that right now I can use. And then we got this one, is called the caperi. Caperi, they are a bit bitterish, but we use them for making pasta with tomato and tuna and olives. Also we got these cling film. We did not find the bigger one because we like to buy in the bigger one. And then we got this bread, which was really a bad thing to do because we ate them in the next like 1 or 2 days. But they were really so yummy with peanut and just jam in between. We got several cuts of meat. That is why I was saying that this shopping is not for the week, because like the meat we will have them for the next few days because we alternate with other things like beans and lentils. Like this meat we use for making either pilau, which I will be making today. And then we got minced meat, we got the Italian sausage, we got minced meat again, because one is minced meat of beef and the other one is mixed of beef and pork. Then we got chicken in 2 types of it. One is cut and the other one is just the breast milk. the breast, really. Why am I saying the breast milk? The breast, chicken breast. Then yeah, again we got that one. Most of the things are self-explanatory, but what I would say is that life is not cheap here. Life is not cheap. We cheated also. We got ice cream and peas. I find that sometimes most of the things are things that are like luxury. Let's say in Kenya, here they are really cheap. Example, things like ice cream, they're really cheap here compared to Kenya, whereby ice cream will be like more expensive, especially if it's better quality. So that's what I can point out. But the basic foods, I find it expensive. Meat is expensive. Just a little bit of minced meat, you find it's like €6, which is like 800 Kenya shillings. So yeah, so we got more cleaning detergents because also the water, as I had mentioned before, the water is very mineralized, so we need something to clean so that it doesn't block the appliances, especially the washing machine and the dishwasher. So we also got olives, which is the green, like this is olive verde, which is the green olive. On the other one was the black olives, and more cans of tomatoes. We also got this fazzoletti, which is the I am forgetting words in English. This is so weird. This is yogurt that I got. I'm forgetting some words in English. Um, pocket towels, pocket tissues. Yes, pocket tissues, the fazzoletti. Also, um, black pepper and jam. We also got new toothbrushes for the change of toothbrush because yes, we need to change our toothbrushes often. The last thing was to organize the fruits and the vegetables into the fridge. So now we are ready to start a new week with the fridge restocked and organized and clean. Also, we got this pan from Amazon. It's really so good, and I had to put it on a test the same day because I wanted to make beef pilau. I've been struggling to find the right rice, but finally I got something that could work for some time until maybe I could find something that is like the best, but this works right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you in my next video on Saturday. I'm currently posting my videos on Saturday. So guys, thank you and see you next time. Bye.